Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the best pure flame mini, the Fireplace Humidifier Diffuser by FHNUVB. This unique product is not just your typical essential oil diffuser. It's designed to bring a cozy, warm atmosphere to any room with its realistic flame effect and 7-color LED night light. Right out of the box, what stands out is the clever design that mimics a real fireplace flame, creating a calming ambiance perfect for bedrooms, offices, yoga spaces, or living rooms. Imagine the gentle flicker of a fireplace without the hassle of wood or smoke. This diffuser combines a 4-in-1 ultrasonic humidifier, aromatherapy diffuser, and an imitation fireplace flame display, making it both functional and decorative. One of its best features is the 7-color changing lighting mode. You can cycle through a spectrum of colors or fix on a single shade, allowing you to tailor the mood of your environment. It even has 2 sound-reactive lighting effects that sync with ambient noise, adding a dynamic visual element to your space. The diffuser operates quietly, with ultrasonic mist technology that produces a fine mist without distracting noise. It stays whisper quiet at under 35 decibels, so it won't interrupt your relaxation, sleep, or work. This makes it ideal for nighttime use or for anyone sensitive to sound. Another practical highlight is the 150 ml water tank capacity, which provides up to 7 hours of continuous mist. It's equipped with a timer function that allows you to set it for 1, 3, or 6 hours of operation, and it automatically shuts off when the water runs out, ensuring safety and convenience. You can also control it remotely, adjusting mist settings, lighting modes, and timers without getting up. The size is compact, measuring just over 10 inches long, 4 inches wide, and about 4 inches high, so it fits nicely on desks, shelves, or nightstands without taking up much space. The build material is durable ABS plastic, making it lightweight at just over 1.5 pounds but sturdy enough for everyday use. Beyond its functionality as a humidifier and diffuser, the fireplace flame effect brings a unique aesthetic element. Whether you want to create a relaxing ambiance for yoga, a cozy vibe for reading, or a decorative touch for gatherings, this diffuser adds a charming glow that enhances the atmosphere. Power-wise, it's corded electric with low wattage at just 5 watts, making it energy efficient for continuous use. It's designed to cover medium to large rooms, so it's versatile enough for various home or office environments. In summary, the FHNUVB Fireplace Humidifier Diffuser is an excellent blend of aromatherapy and ambiance lighting. It offers practical features like quiet ultrasonic mist, smart timer settings, remote control, and a water tank that lasts for hours. All while delivering a soothing flame effect and vibrant lighting options to elevate your space. If you're looking for a multifunctional diffuser that's more than just a typical aroma diffuser, this is a fantastic option that combines health benefits with style and mood lighting. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest reviews and insights on the latest products.